Hello guys, I am 19th Playground 209 and welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox Trig Still Alive album deluxe edition. Let's start. First of all, I see the logo here actually, and I see the name. Here it says official album. Do not publish any of the following content on your social media accounts. Trig, let's open it. Here we can see every song name in order. Very cool. And here it is the Maxwell CD, uh, the album CD. Buy it now from eBay. It costs only $10.